Hey bakers! Transporting your fresh creations without a disaster is half the battle. Today, we're looking at 5 top-rated bakery packaging options on the market, breaking down the pros, cons, and who each one is actually best for. Let's dive in. Product 1, RYDDOY 3-pack 10 by 10 by 8 tall cake boxes. First up is the RYDDOY 3-pack of 10 by 10 by 8-inch tall cake boxes. This set includes 3 boxes, 3 matching 10-inch cardboard cake boards, and decorative stickers. Pros: the 8-inch height easily accommodates multi-layer tall cakes, and the included sturdy boards save you from buying accessories separately. Plus, the FSC-certified cardboard and clear wavy top window display your work beautifully. Cons: you only get 3 in a pack, so it's geared toward occasional bakers rather than high-volume commercial production. If you need a complete, display-ready setup for standard multi-layer birthday or celebration cakes, this is an easy, high-value win. Product 2, Moretoes 24 PCS Small Kraft Cookie Boxes. Next is the Moretoes 24-piece Kraft Cookie Box Set. These rustic brown boxes measure 4 by 4 by 2.5 inches. Pros: excellent value for bulk gifting or party favors. The reinforced structure keeps the sides from collapsing, and the natural craft aesthetic looks fantastic decorated with twine or ribbons. Cons: at 2.5 inches high, they are strictly for low-profile treats like cookies, mini donuts, or macarons, nothing layered or tall. These are your go-to rustic favor boxes for weddings, holiday treat swaps, or small pastry sales. Product 3, LNDIEHS 2-pack 12 by 12 by 8 large cake boxes. Moving to larger creations, the LNDIEHS 2-pack gives you 12 by 12 by 8-inch white cake boxes with matching 12-inch boards and thank you stickers. Pros: food grade, sturdy construction made specifically for larger tier cakes or wider bakery items. The crisp white look adds a very professional, high-end feel. Cons: you only receive 2 boxes per order, making the cost per unit higher if you need bulk quantities. If you're delivering a heavy statement cake or wedding order that needs maximum structure and clean presentation, this pair has you covered. Product 4, RYDDOY 3-pack 12 by 12 by 8 tall cake boxes. For another large format option, RYDDOY offers a 3-pack of 12 by 12 by 8-inch boxes. Pros: fits cakes up to 10 inches in diameter while giving you 8 inches of vertical headroom. It comes with decorative stickers and features pre-folded lines that take literally seconds to snap together flat. Cons: unlike their 10-inch set, this 12-inch pack does not include cake boards, just the boxes and stickers. Great for bakers who already have their own preferred cake boards on hand but want spacious, easy-assemble transport containers. Product 5, WINKIO 24 PCS Small White Cookie Boxes. Finally, we have the WINKIO 24-piece white cookie box set. These measure 4 by 4 by 2.5 inches and come with 24 thank you sealing stickers. Pros: made from eco-friendly, recyclable paperboard with a bright white finish that offers a clean, modern look. Super quick to assemble with accurate fold creases. Cons: like the Kraft option, the compact size limits you to small single-serve treats or pastries. Perfect if you prefer a sleek, polished white presentation over rustic Kraft for your individual event goodies. Whether you're shipping multi-tiered cakes or handing out single-serve cookies, matching your baked goods to the right box makes all the difference. Check out the links below to pick up the right size for your next bake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking tips. Happy bake!